facilitating all of us and this 10th session. The technical teams from all the ministries, the Secretary of Commerce himself with his team sitting with us, and at the same time the business community of Pakistan, FPCCI, for participating in this. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for really making this session a success. And once again, my thanks to my dear brother and his team coming from Jordan and the ambassador over here. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, my brother. It's really a great pleasure to be here today in Islamabad. The relationship, as we all know, it's a long-standing, solid, friendly relationship between both countries. This commission meetings followed the visit of His Majesty King Abdullah II 2 months ago. We had a clear direction from both leadership that we need to take the economical and trade relation between Pakistan and Jordan to a totally different level. I can assure everybody that the desire, the commitment of both sides, the Pakistani side and the Jordanian side, is there to make this commission and this year, 2026, a turning point in the trade relation between both countries. During this successful, fruitful commission meetings today, we agreed that it's not a protocol commission, it's not a protocol meeting. We need to go, as you mentioned, my brother, to a clear, result-oriented and implementation of what we have signed on within the protocol and what we have agreed on. Accordingly, we have agreed to have a working group that will work this year on different sectors, and also the establishment of the Pakistani-Jordan Business Council, because we believe that the private sector between both countries is the engine of the growth of the trade and economical relation between both countries. We have also agreed today that we will not only focus on the bilateral trade relation, we will work together to seize opportunities and to create joint ventures, joint investment between both private sector in both countries, to also invest not only in Pakistan and Jordan, but in the region that you have here and in the region of my country, and even beyond that. We have also agreed that we'll not wait another 10 years to have a meeting. So officially, I'm very honored to invite my brother, my friend, and his esteemed teams to visit Amman, Jordan, as soon as possible, and for sure, inshallah, next year we will have the 11th commission, and which will have also a business forum to introduce and to bridge the relation between both private sector. Today I'm coming here to Islamabad. On my side is the private sector from Jordan, both the Chamber of Industry, Chamber of Commerce, where they are also eager to build bridges and partnership with the Pakistani private sector. It is really a pleasure to meet you. It's really a pleasure to work with you, with your esteemed team. And inshallah, this year, as we've mentioned, will witness a breakthrough in the economical and trade relation between both countries. Thank you.
Inshallah. Inshallah.